Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in camera technology. Today, we're talking about the highly anticipated Nikon Z90, a camera that could redefine what APS-C shooters expect in 2025. From insane burst speeds and class-leading autofocus to pro-grade video features, the Nikon Z90 leaks we've seen so far are truly jaw-dropping. If you're a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, videographer, or hybrid creator, this camera might just become your next essential tool. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know. Nikon Z90 specs, Nikon Z90 autofocus system, Nikon Z90 video features, Nikon Z90 release date rumors, why the Nikon Z90 could be the best APS-C camera of 2025. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest Nikon Z90 updates. Why everyone's hyped for the Nikon Z90. The Nikon Z90 rumors are not just noise. Nikon is reportedly designing a crop sensor camera that rivals their full-frame giants. For the first time, APS-C might not mean entry-level. It could stand for elite performance in a smaller package. What makes it so exciting? Brand new 33MP sensor. APS-7 processor, same as Nikon's top-tier models. Class-leading autofocus. Incredible video capabilities. Robust, weather-sealed body. In other words, the Nikon Z90 is looking like a true APS-C flagship. Not just an upgrade, but a complete reimagining. Nikon Z90 sensor technology. Next-gen APS-C innovation. According to multiple Nikon Z90 leaks, this camera will pack a newly engineered 33MP APS-C CMOS sensor. What does that mean for you? Stunning detail and resolution. Superior low-light performance. ISO expansion up to 24,800. Faster sensor readout equals less rolling shutter dynamic range that rivals full-frame models. This new sensor isn't a rehash of older tech. It's a complete overhaul aimed at professionals who demand the best from their gear. Plus, rumors hint at Nikon introducing a dynamic range optimization system, allowing photographers to pull incredible highlight and shadow detail without sacrificing quality. Nikon Z90 processor, meet APS-7. Paired with the groundbreaking sensor is Nikon's APS-7 image processor, the same powerhouse engine found in Nikon's Z9 and Z8. The APS-7 will give the Z90 lightning-fast image processing, enhanced noise reduction at high ISOs, unreal autofocus tracking speeds, rapid buffer clearing. If you're shooting fast-moving subjects like birds in flight, athletes mid-action, or cinematic handheld video, the Nikon Z90 processor will deliver professional results without breaking a sweat. Nikon Z90 autofocus, AI-powered precision. If there's one thing that will blow photographers away, it's the rumored Nikon Z90 autofocus system. Here's what we're expecting. Hybrid phase and contrast detection AF. Over 500 focus points for precise coverage. Next-gen AI subject tracking. Bird, animal, human, and vehicle detection. New sports tracking modes for fast-paced action. Nikon is leveraging deep learning algorithms to anticipate subject movement, making this the most intelligent APS-C autofocus system ever. For wildlife photographers, birders, and sports shooters, this means more keepers, fewer misses. Speed Demon, burst shooting like never before. Speed is everything when you're chasing the perfect moment, and the Nikon Z90 specs suggest it's going to be an absolute monster. Here's the breakdown. 20 FPS continuous shooting in RAW. 1,000 plus frame buffer depth. That's right. You could shoot raw bursts for over 50 seconds straight without filling the buffer. Perfect for action sequences, critical sports moments, and dynamic wildlife behavior. Nikon Z90 video specs, built for hybrid creators. The Nikon Z90 isn't just a photo powerhouse. It's a serious video tool too. Latest Nikon Z90 video rumors reveal 4K 60 frames per second recording with no crop. External 10-bit 4:2:2 via HDMI. N-Log, and HLG support for professional color grading. Oversampled 6K for sharper 4K footage. Full-time subject tracking in video mode. If you're a filmmaker, vlogger, or YouTuber, this camera could revolutionize your workflow. Plus, combined with in-body image stabilization, IBIS, expect smooth handheld shots even in demanding shooting conditions. Nikon Z90 IBIS, the APS-C game changer. Another first for Nikon APS-C users. The Z90 will likely introduce 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS. Benefits? Up to 6 stops of shake reduction. Handhold shots at ridiculously slow shutter speeds. Shoot stable video footage without a gimbal. This stabilization system could help creators work more nimbly. No tripod? No problem. Person lifting weights, Nikon Z90 build. Rugged, professional ergonomics. Nikon cameras have always been built like tanks, and the Nikon Z90 body design looks to continue that tradition. Magnesium alloy construction. Full weather sealing, dust, rain, cold. Deep, secure grip for all-day shooting. Dual card slots. CF Express Type B plus SD UHS 2. 3.69 OLED EVF plus fully articulating 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen. In short, the Nikon Z90 will be ready to handle any environment you throw at it, whether you're on safari, shooting sports, or capturing cinematic B-roll in unpredictable conditions. Storage, connectivity, and power for professionals. The Nikon Z90 camera won't just impress with its sensor and speed. It's expected to excel at workflow and convenience too. CF Express plus SD dual slot combo. Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.2 for fast, stable wireless transfer. USB-C port with power delivery. Shoot and charge at once. Tethered shooting ready for studio setups. Optional battery grip for marathon sessions. Nikon Z90 release date. When can we expect it? Multiple trusted sources suggest the Nikon Z90 release date will be around August, September 2025. That's just in time for fall foliage season, wildlife migrations, back-to-school sports, content creators planning for holiday uploads. Expect an official announcement mid-summer 2025. Nikon Z90 price predictions. While the exact pricing isn't confirmed, insiders estimate the Nikon Z90 price will likely sit between $1,800 to $2,200 USD, body only. Considering the rumored specs and performance, that could be a major value compared to some $3,000 plus full-frame options. Why the Nikon Z90 could outshine full-frame rivals. If these specs hold true, the Nikon Z90 might even outperform some older full-frame cameras. It promises to bring together portability of APS-C, performance of pro bodies, next-gen autofocus, stunning 4K video features, professional build quality. For photographers and hybrid shooters, this could be the perfect balance of power, versatility, and price.